Welcome to Demolition Ranch. This is my Franchi SPAS-12. The SPAS-12 is different from the Law 12, which I had in some of my earlier videos. It's pump action or semi-automatic action. You can change it by pushing this button right here. This SPAS-12 comes with a folding stock. Also has a hook on it. The hook is detachable. And the hook is used for two purposes, and neither one of the purposes is very good, but the first one, so you can fire it one-handed, hooks around your arm. The second one is as a carry handle. This gun also has the factory extended magazine tube, also has the forward front sight. This one has a lever safety, which was later recalled. This shotgun is 30 years old. The date code is AL on it, which means it was made in 1983. I loaded this up with some double-aught buck 2 3/4 inch shells. I'm going to shoot that cedar tree and try to cut it down. That wasn't too difficult. That was in pump mode. This is automatic mode, and we're going to take down the second tree. Here's the first tree. It pretty much hit every branch around here. It broke all of these. This is the big one I was shooting at. Here's the second tree over here. I'm doing a little cabbage hunting. Pull. 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 Let's ravage this cabbage.
Yeah, I got hit in the mouth.
It's on Steven's face. Oh God! We should have had the cameras further back. That last shot was bird shot. This is double-aught buck.
I'm not really covered that time.
I am. Oh, I'm not. Look at the hole it made in that tape. Okay, we're gonna shoot a bag of flour. Pull. This is loaded with bird shot. I'm gonna shoot at that barrel. All the bird shot dented it. None of them really went through. We're gonna shoot some buckshot at it now. More double-aught buck. Jeez, that put some holes in it. You shattered the rock there, dust. Looks like slugs. This is all double-aught buck made this hole. Also shattered that big rock. Hope you enjoyed this video on the SPAS-12. Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch. Check back next time for another good video.
Are you planning on quoting Jurassic Park?
That's... I should. Clever girl.